Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials active. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi or have an HDMI cable ready. This matters because mismatched networks block discovery. On the TV, switch to the casting input or the correct HDMI slot so it listens. On your laptop, open Display Settings or the Connect pane and enable wireless display or Miracast support. If using HDMI, plug the cable into the laptop and TV and choose Duplicate or Extend Display. Once done, your laptop will be ready to find the TV. Next, initiate the actual connection. On Windows, press Windows plus K or open Project/Connect and wait for the TV to appear. On a Mac, use the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and select the TV. Choose Duplicate to mirror exactly or Extend to use the TV as a second monitor. Then adjust resolution and scaling so text and UI fit. Make sure to switch audio output to the TV in sound settings because display and sound routes are separate, so you avoid silent video even while the picture works. Finish by checking performance. Play video or move a window to confirm smoothness and acceptable latency. If needed, lower resolution or frame rate in display options. If the TV doesn't appear, restart both devices and retry. Also update your laptop's display drivers and the TV firmware. Many issues resolve with updates. If wireless still fails, plug an HDMI cable as a reliable fallback. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall or security apps that block local network discovery, then re-enable them after confirming the connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.